tip. Always drink your water, even if it means carrying a big pink hydro flask, because water is life. If not, you die, basically. Provami has it all. I'm not down with the CBD pop, but cool. You know, make money off of it, you know? So this is my friend's spot, Vito Iacopelli, and let me tell you, you guys are gonna like this experience. He's straight from Italy, guys, so you know you're getting straight authentic pizza. Napolitano style. I'm not Italian, but I'm trying to learn. So let's go inside. Pizza is life. Vito's pizza is life. The best Neapolitan pizza in Southern California. I vouch to that. Yes, it is. Because I had some bunky place in San Diego, and let me tell you, I believe Vito now. He is the real deal, okay? Because that bunky place in San Diego, in Little Italy, I found something, guys. This is Vito Iacopelli. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name, but I know him, and he has a channel that teaches you how to do stuff.
I'm going to show you how to stretch the Neapolitan pizza. So we just press gentle. Now we are pressing the air to the crust. Now ready to go in the oven. So what do you want? You want the air to the crust, empty.
Rolling. So disclaimer, guys, before you guys say, oh, she said Vito was her friend. Yes, but disclaimer, okay, disclaimer alert. Vito is in Italy. He doesn't even know I'm here. And the pizza does take quite some time, between 10 to 15, 20 minutes tops, because they are making it from scratch. And yeah, it's good. So if it's good, you wait, okay? So don't complain.
One eternity later.
So they don't have just a full pepperoni pizza, so they had to make me a margarita and added pepperoni, and this looks like heaven. So it is said that their pizzas are not sturdy, they're floppy, so you eat them with a knife and a fork, but like I said, I eat with my hands. So delicious. I know the crust is not fluffy. It's very thin, but it tastes so fluffy. It's chewy. The tomato sauce is punching. I mean, it is cooking in flavor. You have to eat this like hotcakes, because somebody might come and take it, and nobody takes my food away. Perfecto. And I'm usually a person that doesn't eat the crust, because you know sometimes you're like, crust, but this dough is addicting. It is addicting. Like, I'll eat everything. I'll leave nothing on the plate. I'll even lick the plate. Lick it. Look at how nice and thin and cooked and crispy this is. It's not that thick pepperoni you get where you're just like, it's like, look at how easy that was. Nothing is salty. Everything balances out. I mean, everything. From the dough, from the cheese, from the sauce, everything adds flavor. And the basil, oh, look at that big old slice. Call me a baby. They make their dough daily. Yes, it does need to ferment 24 hours. But they make it fresh. It's not no frozen. You're not seeing them pulling out of the freezer or the fridge or anything. It is handmade every single day, okay? And I know you guys are gonna be like, it's so expensive. You need to understand you're getting quality food, okay? This is just the size as a Blaze pizza, right? With less than expected ingredients, but You will not regret this, man. And if you want Mexican people, this is more addicting than bolillo. Like, can I get a torta with this dough? Vito, let's make torta. Provami is full of surprises. They have a Nutella pizza, basically a Nutella pizza. Holy shitzels. It's one of those desserts that you can smell the taste of it without even tasting it, if that makes sense. Because it makes sense in my world, but I don't know about you. I want to be gentle with it. If you think that it's weird making this out of pizza dough, you're wrong. What if it has Nutella inside? So, I'm not going to torture you guys any longer because I know this is mouth-watering, because it's mouth-watering for me. It's so delicious. Just come here. Seriously, this place is really on point. Like, well, for them it'll be, it's perfecto. See you guys later.